I enjoyed the search engine section because
Mhm.
I used Yahoo when I was in college, and there was exciting SGs, and then Google came around and just killed everybody. But I
Mhm.
never knew about Archie. I had, because I figured, well, Yahoo was like one of the first ones, a web crawler. I never heard of Archie, and Archie came out in 1989.
Yeah.
Hey, did you ever use Archie? Did you
No,
ever heard of? I never heard of it in my life.
no, that took a bit of research, and I thought, oh, I didn't know that either. And I had no idea that Google was about 20th to come out. That was amazing, wasn't it?
It is amazing. What do you think Google did, even Yahoo before it? Like when you saw it, because there was a bunch of web, it wasn't just Archie, it was just a bunch that came after it. What do you think Google did that trumped all the other search engines and websites like that?
God, that's hard to answer really simply. I think at the very least it had a charm. Do you remember the way, more than we kind of see it these days, but when you go onto the Google homepage, there'd be a little vignette, a little motif, a little thing that changed day by day and it reflected society. It was a bit humorous and it's sort of a bit cheeky and it didn't feel too institutional. I think the brand of Google at the very beginning, I don't think it's true anymore. I think it's just become big and bloated and it's kind of hard to navigate and it's a pain in the ass a lot of the time now, which is a shame, but it's lost its simplicity and it's embraced complexity. Originally, it was really simple. You want to find something, you do it with a bit of fun, with an easy interface, and it was more effective than others, faster. So it's a decent product performance wrapped up in a likable brand character.